Thank you.
That? Can I get out and walk my dog? Oh yeah, you're not being dangerous.
Well, I just don't want it. He's gonna bark.
Well,
that's grandma. I'm grandma. 70, 18, 70.
That's a balance.
Oh, he's covered in trash.
Why do you think the license plate is on? But so, yeah, so it should look like this here. Like,
I got rear-ended because they were their license plate.
Yeah.
And I wasn't even in the car.
Okay.
Like, how do I find out who that license is?
Sheriff vibes, yep. That's the sheriff here.
Yeah, I think real top car.
No, but he's got their car has
Yeah, and the other thing I could probably tell is just make sure they're keeping it at night.
Bill Wrights, Woody, Frank.
It's just a reason that you can be talking when you're driving.
Jeffrey.
You're parked, like I told you, you're not your names, like
I don't see any blood.
something you find when you're driving around.
I got one of the ones on the bone.
Yeah, and that, how long ago was that? Oh, okay, yeah, because that's no longer in front.
Oh, no, I didn't know what it meant. I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm like, what part of the job? Like, I'm not driving like a six.
Cheeto, what up? So we just have the sheriff's department here.
X-ray 10.
Alright, well, you two have a good day. Do you have any questions for me? Alright, safe travels. Take care.
Wait, let's go potty. Let's let you go potty.
X-ray 10 to 4.
Wait till these guys leave. Oh, he's pulling an Orange County thing. He's pulling that Santa Ana audits thing right there. Trying to play the music. It's super late at night. It's midnight.
3500, bullet number 13.
Officers in Santa Ana got in trouble for that. Same exact thing.
1 second, I'm on the radio.
Can I get your names?
No.
Alright, then.
421-323. I'll put that complaint in. Rick? It's the license plate. 157639. Wow, this is how the sheriffs act around here, I guess. The deputies. Look at this. Trying to play music. What a bunch of pricks. Way to show your professionalism. So I called the sheriff's department the next day, gave him the time, date, and location of the incident, and they identified these two. This is Deputy Marquez, and over on the passenger is Deputy Zafar. I didn't realize until later that I've actually documented a stop with Deputy Marquez, or Deputy Doctor, I should say.
I'm not on probation for all sorry. I'm on probation. That's my lawyer. That's what they told me last time. So
He's checking his pulse?
like bullshit here.
What the hell? Is he an EMT or what? What's going on? Of course he's gonna have an elevated pulse rate. This is like nervous city right here. Population this guy. Lives now Atlanta. What the fuck? You're not obligated to do any tests, bro.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Like,
You can leave your glasses on, actually.
I do nothing wrong, dude. So like,
Matthew the King.
yeah, because I do nothing wrong, bro. I'll do your test. I'll do your test, bro. Why? Anytime you have I'll do your test, bro. Like, what? Serious?
Can I get your names?
No. No.